Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know. You clicked on this thing because you want to look at the Viking Knife. Unfortunately, I can't find the little box. So, yeah, if you've got any kind of social media presence and you talk about knives anywhere on your channel, you have probably seen this little thing pop up in multi-forms. We're going to get to that. But basically, it came in a little black cardboard box with the maker symbol on the black cardboard box. You can find this thing in many different forms. All right? I cannot go one day on freaking social media without, seeing some ad with this thing going, "It is the ultimate survival knife. It's your one-tool option. Oh my god, if you barbecue and you debone stuff, you need to have this blade. It is the ultimate thing made by, Viking standards." So I can find at least 5 versions of this on Amazon. I can find it on the-vikings-knife.com, where they're having an incredible special. You better hurry up and grab it before they run out. Yeah, I'm kind of using my little Billy Mays voice. All right. And you can find it on the caveman style. Alright, so before I blow it up, I got it because it looked interesting. I thought to myself, it can't be that bad, and the price I paid for it on Amazon is about right in line with every single affordable everyday carry blade I've ever brought to my channel. So, alright, so I passed on a Gerber or a Kershaw to bring this, as seen on TV, blade to your channel, but maybe I should say as seen on social media. I've seen it 5 different other times today. Viking style, Viking knife, the Viking knife, ultimate Viking knife, ultimate caveman style, a must-have for barbecuers. Let's get into the stats, alright? Overall, it's about 10.74 inches. The blade is 5.74, and the handle's about 5 inches. Now, it comes in at about 8.17 ounces. Now we get to the fun crap, okay? Obviously, you can tell it's plain edge. I can't really give you the grind because I can't find it anywhere else. Can't really give you a coating because it looks like it's seriously been ground out here. But the part that kills me is they sit and they go, hand forge, hand forge, hand forge. But yet in the videos, if you watch, you see this little machine and they're tapping that into the blade. So it's really not hand forged, I'll be honest with you. It looks like they put that on there to simulate it being hand forged and ran from there. Because most guys I know, if they have this going all the way down through the thing, like you've seen on other bladesmiths do, they're going to grind it down so it has a different overall better look to it. I like this because I was like, oh dude, that's got to be fun to flip around, do weird things with, or even if you're chopping, it's going to give you that great little forward control thing, alright? But here's the fun part. So on thevikingknives.com, they say the scales are high quality rosewood. The steel is German 5CR 17 MOV with a 55 to 57 Rockwell rating, which is 3 times sharper than any blade on the market. Great edge retention, superior cutting skills. I went 5CR? 5CR. 3 times as sharp as anything on the market. Yeah, okay. So on Amazon, this one states, and basically all these ones that you can find, they all look the same, except for the mark and a possibility on the scales. Rosewood or black. Basically a red or a black scale is all you're going to find. Alright? Amazon states it's high carbon, high manganese, not stainless, 62 Rockwell rating on a curved blade. The scales are log wood, scientifically humanized design. This is the part that I went, oh sweet Jesus, is it too early to start drinking? On Amazon, it literally states on this blade, not recommended putting into a dishwasher with other utensils. This will reduce the sharpness of the blade. But yet they recommend every single time you use this thing, wipe it down with warm water and dry off. But if you put it in the dishwasher, you're going to reduce the sharpness. Yeah. And on caveman style, they say it's traditional Japanese style stainless steel, oakwood scales, and it boasts the first ever finger hole for control design. I don't know about you, but I know of other blades out there that have forward finger holes. All right? I believe the Gerber Remix and a folding thing has it. I know there's other blades out there that have a hole drilled to give you whatever. I really don't think that something that's broadcasting itself everywhere under every single form imaginable is boasting the first ever. All right, why am I doing this review? I saw it, I went, it can't be that bad, started doing a little bit more digging and went, I mean, God, I've even seen one with an ad where they're throwing this, and it's like, oop, as I knock the camera, they're throwing it, and they're like, it's the ultimate survival blade. You'll never need anything else like it. 5CR17 MOV. Okay, sure, right, whatever. Sure, okay. But let's do some cut tests with this thing, okay? Because this is the other part that killed me. In every single ad, no matter where you go, they're like, oh, look, pineapple, whack, 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 right through. Oh, water bottle, slink. Oh, yeah, just cut it through, no problem. Oh, my God. So, I'm not even going to go into the line, point to cards, but here we go. Heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, yeah, crap. They also call this a high-quality leather sheath. They used to make Kydex sheaths for this thing. That Kydex sheath with the tech lock on it looked a hell of a lot better than this thing does. This thing looks like you're going to find in a mall ninja knife, and you're going to be like, oh, dude, that looks kind of cool. And the guy's going to be like, oh, my God, man, people have spent like forever and a day trying to put this thing together. And yeah, I'm rambling on. So, cut tests, heavy-duty stock paper. Literally? You've got to be kidding me. Seriously? Okay, maybe it's just a damn paper. It has not cut anything. I have not put it through any wear and tear since I got it, but look at that. Look at that right there. And look at all that paper. See why I'm laughing at this thing? Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Alright, enough with that. Paracord! Oh, this is going to be fun. I wonder if I'm going to end up in the emergency room. Pull test. Oh my God, really? Oh, I had to turn it into a slice test to get it through. 3 times as sharp. Right. I can hear you laughing out there, especially you, Bill Rivers. I can hear you laughing. Slice test. That even seemed... Look at those cuts. And he's going to gloriously sacrifice his last remaining little bit of life. Almost. That's the cleanest thing I've seen all day, right there. Okay. So I did all the homework and anger issues and everything else on this thing on 4/27/21, and I'm doing the filming on 4/28/21. On Viking Knife, normally it's $80, but miraculously it's on sale for $39.90. And as of 4/28/21, they're running a 10% off coupon on that as well. On Amazon, this guy is $25.99, and it is Prime 1-day eligible. On, Caveman, whatever, Caveman style, $39.95. And oh yeah, you can get 2 added to your order for a great magical bonus. Oh, sweet Jesus. Alright. I got it because I went, alright, looks interesting. Let's figure it out. Started doing the research and went, Mall Ninja Knife! Yay! It's going to be something that's going to sit in a drawer and probably rust because I'm probably never going to pick it back up and play with it again. Because look at all that's picked up on that blade. I'm just saying, alright? But, after you guys have stopped laughing, no, hold on. I'm going to give you a moment. Bill, you okay? You ready, Bill? Bill, you ready? All right. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. I'm not even going to ask you if you think it's nice or an F-bomb, because it's an F-bomb. All right? Just total F-bomb. Now, oh, I can't believe I did this. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this really, really weird review. Normally, I don't buy a product to trash it. I bought it hoping for something better than what I got, and I went, oh, I can't put this review off much anymore, so here we go. Alright, but I just want to thank you for watching this video. I know we do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is, why not? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment down below in the comment section what I can do, and let's see how we can put that to use in a future video. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's a really easy answer. That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Mercifully, guys, we have come to the end. Thank you so much for watching this really weird review from my channel. I hope you're being safe. I hope you're having an awesome day, and I'll see you in our next video.